Good morning, children. Now, welcome back to you in our English class. My dear children, today we are going to read our English book. Today we are going to read our English book, children. Are you practicing, children? Are you reading your book? Reading is a good habit and we have to read our book always. So, today we will read vowel O, sounds of vowel O. Okay, children, now take out your English book, open 26, page number 26, chapter 6. We are going to read sounds of vowel O. Say box, doll, goat, pot, onion, joker. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. D-O-L-L, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. G-O-A-T, goat. P-O-T, pot. O-N-I-O-N, onion. J-O-K-E-R, joker. Again, B-O-X, box. D-O-L-L, doll. G-O-A-T, goat. P-O-T, pot. O-N-I-O-N, onion. J-O-K-E-R, joker. Now see, H-O-T, hot. C-O-T, cot. G-O-T, got. N-O-T, not. L-O-T, lot. L-O-G, log. D-O-G, dog. J-O-G, jog. T-O-G, tog. F-O-G, fog. B-O-Y, boy. J-O-Y, joy. T-O-Y, toy. R-O-Y, roy. L-O-Y, loy. S-O-N, son. T-O-N, ton. B-O-N, born. W-O-N, own. N-O-N, non. P-O-D, pod. R-O-D, rod. H-O-D, hot. C-O-D, cord. N-O-D, not. Now see the next page. A-C-O-C-K, cock. A cock. A-R-O-C-K, rock. A rock. A-C-O-C-K, cock. I-S is O-N, on. A-R-O-C-K, rock. A cock is on a rock. A-P-O-T, pot. A pot. A-C-O-T, cot. A cot. A-P-O-T, pot. I-S is U-N-D-E-R, under. A-C-O-T, cot. A pot is under a cot. Dear children, again see a cock, a rock. A cock is on a rock. A pot, a cot. A pot is under a cot. Now turn one page. Vowel U. Vowel U, chapter number 7. And the name is vowel U, sounds of vowel U. See, T-U-B, tub. S-U-N, sun. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. N-U-T, nut. B-U-L-L, bull. U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. C-U-B cup, H-U-B hub, R-U-B rub, S-U-B sub, D-U-B dove, F-U-N fun, R-U-N run, C B-U-N, what will be? B-U-N burn, G-U-N gun, D-U-N done, M-U-M mum, G-U-M gum, R-U-M rum, S-U-M sum, B-U-M bum. Now say B-U-D bird, D-U-D turd, M-U-D mud, C-U-D curd, R-U-D rud, M-U-G mug, J-U-G jug, H-U-G hug, T-U-G tug, D-U-G duck. Turn one page, children. A cub. See, one cub is in a tub. He is sitting in a tub. See, A C-U-B cub, a cub. A T-U-B tub, a tub. A C-U-B cub, B-A-T-H-E-H baths, I-N in a T-U-B tub. A cub baths in a tub. A B-U-G bug, a bug. A J-U-G jug, a jug. A B-U-G bug, S-A-T sat, U-P-O-N upper, A J-U-G jug. A bug sat upon a jug. Again, a cub, a tub. A cub baths in a tub. A bug, a jug. A bug sat upon a jug. So dear children, what we have read today? Today we have read vowel O and vowel U. You have to read these two chapters, sounds of vowel O and sounds of vowel U. Today only we read our book. You have also only to read this two chapters, sounds of vowel O and sounds of vowel U. You have to read these two chapters. And children, take care of yourself and practice. Always practice reading your book, your English book. You always read this book always.